Thanks to Mahalo, they win
Tomgots na tomgots kayo eh.
without losing blood.
Tomgots na tomgots.
It's an easy victory.
Kadededi lang, tomgots.
Age is the battle she cannot win.
Tumingin pa!
If she's serious about her mother's crown, Matsidi should be hunting.
Tumata ka pa! Oo. Nag-smile pa sa camera. Nagpa-cute pa. Kumakain daw siya. Kain daw po tayo. Oh, lumapit pa. Kumain ka na.
Another leopard's
Oh.
left over,
Oh.
begging to be eaten.
Kailig.
For Matsidi,
Kakainin niya yan. Yung
this
puti
is
na yan.
an
Kakainin niya. Ah. Kainin mo. Kainin mo. Kainin mo. Kainin mo yung nandun sa ibaba. Kakainin niya yan. Kukunin niya yan. Ayun o. Galing kumain yan. Ayun o.
almost.
Kainin mo yung nasa ilalim ng bibig mo. Kainin mo. Ako po, Diyos ko po.
Let's go get him.
Nag-camera na lang.
But there's a killer on the road.
Oh.
Matsidi.
Kailig.
Unsure when she might eat again. Matsidi must decide. Stay safe in the tree or retrieve the lost morsel.
Kalikot naman kasi.
Your decision, Matsidi.
Sinusubukan, kalikot. Gustong gusto sa camera.
Matsidi dances with death.
Takbo! Ginalaw pa! Murong ka na, murong ka na.
This
Oh!
is a child's
Diyos
errand.
ko naman. Ano ba talaga? Kakain o magkakamera na lang?
She escapes with one less life. But she can't escape humiliation.
Kalikot. Kumuha ka doon. Eh,
A
ano pa lang
new
doon?
sound rises.
Kumuha pa lang naman. Noodles.
The hyenas rumped Kutlu, helpless. His anxious mother knows it.
Masarap sa noodles.
Not just a runt, a male runt, in a world where females rule.